Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself with a bunch of Google Sheets documents scattered all over your Google Drive, today's tutorial is going to be a total game changer. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a brand new folder straight from Google Sheets and how to organize your files like a pro. Trust me, this simple skill will save you tons of time searching for your documents down the road. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up the Google Sheet that you want to organize. It doesn't matter which spreadsheet you're working with, these steps are the same no matter what. Now take a look up toward the top of your screen at the Google Sheets menu bar. Up here you'll see a row of icons and options. What we're looking for is the Move icon. This button usually looks a bit like a little folder with a right-facing arrow on it. If you're not sure which one it is, try hovering your mouse over the icons. After a brief moment, a tooltip should pop up with the word Move. Go ahead and click on it once you find it. When you do this, a panel will appear showing you a map of your Google Drive storage. By default, it often suggests moving your file to My Drive or some recent locations, but what we want is to really customize where the sheet is stored. So in this window, look for the All Allocations option and click on that. Now click on My Drive. This is essentially the root folder of your entire Google Drive, kind of like the trunk of a tree where every other branch or subfolder starts. Next, notice the arrow or tiny triangle on the right side of My Drive. Go ahead and click it. This will expand and show you all your existing folders and subfolders inside your drive. But let's say you want to keep things ultra-organized and start a brand new folder just for this project or set of sheets. Scroll all the way down in this panel and look in the bottom left corner. Here you'll notice a small folder icon, usually with a plus sign. Clicking this is how you create a brand new folder. Google does this to make sure you're not just dumping files into a mess. Organization is key. Once you click that folder icon, you'll get a prompt asking you to type in the new folder's name. Take a moment to come up with something descriptive like 2024 financial reports or team meeting notes, whatever makes sense for you. Clear, specific names really help later on when you're searching for files. Now hit the Create button and just like that, your new folder appears. At this point, your Google Sheet hasn't actually moved yet, but you're almost done. Click on your new folder to select it, then hit the Move Here button. It might take a second or two, but you'll get a little confirmation that your file is now in its new tidy home. And that's it, you've just learned how to create a new folder in Google Sheets and keep your drive neat and organized. If you're working on a big project or have lots of files, repeat these steps as often as you need. Remember, good organization now means way less stress in the future. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment if you have any questions or want to see more drive tips, and of course, make sure you're subscribed for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.